Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, if you are watching first time of my video, you should subscribe my channel. Please like, share and do comment. See next question, continuation. Fifth question. Draw a square and construct all its axes of symmetry. Measure the angle between each pair of successive axes of symmetry. What do you notice? Does the same rule apply for other regular polygons? Once, see here solution. I took a square and I draw the axis of symmetry. Here we should measure the angle between successive axis symmetry. 45. How you can get 45? Here total angles, sum of all angles in a square 360 by 2n. Okay, now it indicates the 4 sides, number of sides. Okay, so 360 by 4 into n, if you do, you will get 45 degrees. This is true for all regular polygons. Okay, next see here, next to rotational symmetry you have. What is rotational symmetry? You have definition in the textbook only. See here, if we rotate a figure about a fixed point by a certain angle and the figure looks exactly the same as before, we say that the figure has rotational symmetry. Very simple. Here, if you rotate the figure at a fixed point by certain angle, then after rotation the figure looks like same exactly as before. Okay, example, suppose if you take B, you want to rotate B. If you want to rotate B, so it will come like this, one rotation. After next rotation, how it will come? Like this will come. Next rotation, how it will come? Like this will come. Okay, next rotation, if you rotate again, like this. After 3 rotations, the figure which looks like exactly the before, as before. This is the rotational symmetry. Okay, next angle of rotational symmetry. The minimum angle rotation of a figure to get exactly the same figure as original is called the angle of rotational symmetry or angle of rotation. Okay, with certain angle we can rotate the figure, that is angle of rotation. Next, order of rotational symmetry. See exercise 3, first question. Which of the following figures have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? See here, first figure, second figure, fourth figure, fifth figure. These 4 figures having rotational symmetry of order more than 1. This third figure only, it is having rotational symmetry less than 1. Okay, so next, give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. Okay, see, order is 2 for this figure, order is 4, for this figure order is 3, for this figure order is 4. See, simply you can remember by wings you can count 1, 2, 2 wings order 2, 4 wings order 4, 3 sides order 3, 4 sides order 4. Okay, next, order 4, order 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, order 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, order 3, 1, 2, 3. Like this you can remember, very simple. It depends on the number of sides or number of wings on the figure. Okay, next question is given that draw each of shape given below and fill in the blanks. Directly I am explaining from this. See here, shape of the figure square. I am here draw the square. And the intersection of axis of symmetry, how many axes of symmetry we can draw for this square? Yes, we can draw the axis of symmetry. Angle of rotation for square is 90. Order of rotation is 4. Okay, why? Because square having 4 sides, no, that is order 4. Next, a rectangle. This many axis of symmetry we can draw. Yes, this angle of rotation for rectangle is 180. This is order of rotation is 2. Rhombus. A rhombus having order of symmetry means axis of symmetry 2. Yes, 180 angle of rotation 2. Okay. Next, equilateral triangle. Yes, this is 123 order of rotation. Regular hexagon. Yes, 86. Circle. Yes, infinite angle of rotation. Order also infinite. Semicircle. No, we cannot draw any axis of symmetry. So there is no angle of rotation. There is no order of rotation for semicircle. Okay. Next, line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Line symmetry and rotational symmetry. See, exercise 4, only one question in this. Some English alphabets have fascinating symmetrical structures which capital letters have only one line of symmetry like E, which capital letters have rotational symmetry of order 2 like I. We should. Okay, alphabet Z, line of symmetry, no, there is no line of symmetry. We cannot draw the line of symmetry for letter Z. Number of lines of symmetry 0. Rotational symmetry, yes, it is having rotational symmetry. Order of rotation 2. If you rotate the letter Z 2 times, then it will come exactly as before like a Z. Okay, so order is 2. Next, S, there is no line of symmetry for S, so there is no number of axes. Rotational symmetry is having order 2. 2 times if you rotate S, it will come vaginal position. H is having horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. So yes, number of lines of symmetry 2. Why? Because we are drawing horizontally and vertically. For letter H, we should draw like this and like this. So line of symmetry 2. Rotational symmetry, yes, 2 times if you rotate, it will come as virginal position as letter H. O, it is having infinite many line of symmetry. Line symmetry, yes, how many? Infinite. Rotational symmetry also, it is there for letter O, infinite many times. We can rotate the letter O. And E, yes, number of lines of symmetry only 1. Why? Because horizontal only we can draw the line of symmetry. So rotational symmetry it is not having, so 0. Next, N, it is not having any line of symmetry, so number of lines of symmetry is 0. Rotational symmetry it is having, order is 2. C, for C, line of symmetry, yes, only horizontally we can draw, so 1. Here rotational symmetry 4, order of rotational symmetry 1. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.